All right, so I'm opening up tonight, which really is more for tomorrow morning, the content areas for activity 3. Um, some people that have been on for a couple of days have already moved through the welcome activities and activity 1 and 2. Activity 3 will not be due until the 14th at night, so Monday at night. So I'm going to put it up for those that are working ahead. But for those of you that are just getting into the course, that's fine. Okay, so let's have a look at what that is. When we go up to the content area, you're going to see your normal 2 pieces. I should maybe be a student. Let me just. You're going to see your regular. Sorry, internet's a little slow. Izzy's on Netflix. Okay, so let's look here. So now you've got activity 1, 2, and 3 open. 3's the new one. Very similar to what you've seen so far in terms of the setup of the content area. So this isn't going to look any new. The links that are in here are going to open up to the same Google Docs that I have linked under the how-to instructional areas. In this one, it's the last one of the 3 lessons that are related to the cardiovascular system. So in this one, you're looking at cardiovascular conditions and their treatments and how you can treat, as well as some of the indirect and direct costs on healthcare. And I've already made, and you're making a mind map, but you're doing it with the original slideshow that you've already started, or some of you have already started, some of you are working on from number 1. So you're going to go through this content area, but before you start, scroll down to the how-to area for students. You can see these are the ones that are the most important right now. So you've got your welcome activities and your welcome videos, your activity 1, your activity 2, and your activity 3. Let's go to activity 3. On the left, you're going to find the links to the documents that are in your journal. So you're kind of like your template of what's happening for the activity. This link here goes through the journal. I'm trying to put them in more relevant places, I guess. So left will be the document, right will be your videos. That's the same thing for activity 1 and 2. Generally on the left, I've put either what the assignment is, and then on the right, there's the associated video. So to me, if I was doing this or if I was catching up, I would start with the overview video before I even opened the content area. I'd have a look at this general overview of what I'm expecting in the activity, and then I would go to the content area and open it up along with my tour journal. As I hit every assignment, I would watch the video before I completed the assignment. So that's why those are there, because they're intended to be instructional videos for you to kind of sit back and see what I'm expecting in exactly that part of the assignment. So remember, when you go to the assignment area, I'm just going to do this for some of the people that are still back a couple assignments. When you go to the assignment area, I'll have to change that. You can see, you can see these are the tasks for activity 1. These are the tasks for activity 2. Now I've opened up the task for activity 3. And also, you'll see the discussions for activity 1, 2, and 3. There's only one for activity 2, so some people have already taken part in that one. And then there's the discussion. Activity 3 is now open. So this is relative to the assignment. I think I put the same video link there from when I made the instructional video. It should be the exact same as what you're going to find. Let me move me over in the content area. So I've opened this up. That's everything that we're going to do until Monday night. So that's going to give a chance for people that have been online to continue to work ahead. But it's also going to give the timelines for people that are just getting on to be able to catch up. And then starting Tuesday, it should be one activity you'll open up a day. It'll be the same format as what you've seen. So you'll get your how-to video down the bottom here of the screen, as well as your content opening. And you'll see things that open for submission in the assignment area and the discussion area. And actually, you'll see the grades that are associated with them as well. Okay, so these are the things that as of Monday, by midnight, should be kind of worked through. So I'll be online. Touch base with me. I can hop onto Google Meets with people if you're struggling. Make sure you reach out if there's anything that you need specific help with.